Hi everybody, welcome to the Wednesday installment of Monday's Marketing Madness message. This is a follow-up of the AE enhancement for Site Builder. As you can see, this website is a new website, it's a new template, and I'm going to show you how you can easily design your website utilizing these really great templates. Go to AE, log in to Agent Accelerator, click on the Site Builder tab. Once on the Site Builder tab, it'll take you directly to the Design Center. From here, you'll see all these great templates that you can choose from. Colors, layouts, you can have a header, a map, a great image that you can change. And by selecting any one of these templates, click the button that says Select, and you're on your way. You'll notice that the lower picture shows the new template that you're designing. The upper image shows your existing website template. You can add or change images or any other kind of information. The search button you can also modify. Here you can select the different layouts. By clicking the Preview tab, you can see what the new website will look like. I can choose different layouts, a 2-column layout, profile, or text area. I'm going to stay with this particular one. I have the the image and search that you see here. I can change that image. I can also choose to have a quick search or map search, and that shows up here. I don't like that layout. I can choose to hide it, or I can go back to the other settings. Now I'm going to keep the quick search tab with the image, the beach image right there. The next area is I can change the text that I want to show up. I can also modify any of the buttons that reside underneath the text area. But I'm going to select my text area first. I'm going to click on text area 3. Text area 3 is by and large the same text area that you used on the old website. Now, I want to go in and I want to select this information. I'm going to click Edit HTML Source. I'm going to select all that text. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to close the window. I'm going to cancel this page. I'm going to come back to my Design Center. I'm going to click on the Settings link. I want to edit that area. Click on Settings, and I want to create my own content. It takes me to the blank page. I'm going to click on Edit HTML Source. I'm going to click Edit HTML Source, right-click and paste that HTML code, click Update, and you'll see all my text area 3 is now in this new page. I need to give it a name so I can refer back to it, and then I'm clicking Submit so I can save this content. Now it's going to update with my new information, and now I'm going to work on these buttons here. These are called callouts. They're basically calls to action. Or you can have a featured properties carousel down there, or you can hide it. I'm going to hide this bottom area and just have the call out buttons at the bottom of my page. Click Settings, and that'll take you to where you can click and select any button you choose. I'm going to have a home buying a home, selling a home, and then I also want the What is my home worth button. Once I have it set up the way I like it, click the Submit button, and I'm all set. Now those 3 callouts will be set up just the way I like it. Click the Preview button, and I can see what my new website is going to look like. Here's the text area from my old website, and there's the buttons that I just created. How cool is that? I'm not ready to publish, so I'm just going to cancel that button. If I wanted to add more text, I could do that right here by clicking Settings and Add More Content. I can choose from an existing page on my site, or I can add more content. Once I'm ready to publish the content, I can click on the Publish tab and publish. If I want to change the color, the sides of the website or the interior color, I can do that by clicking on Background. I can choose the different colors, and then on the template itself, I can change those colors as well. And I do that by clicking above on the template page. I choose that color, or I can change the header. Now, if I had my logo, my picture, my contact information up on this header, I can then choose to not show my picture and contact information and logo on the side rail. And you can see there that I've removed my picture and my logo, because when I go to my header, I can choose a custom header or any of these headers here, and I can really dial in a custom look. Each of these headers, once you select, it'll show on every page of your website. Once I'm ready, I click OK, and I have now changed my website. If I choose a new design, I can certainly do that as well. Oh, and hey, one last thing. Before you're ready to convert your old website or your existing website over to the new website, you're going to want to do one simple task, and that is to click this button right here, Convert Website. Once you do that, then you will go to the published website that you've just created. The other cool thing is under the Site tab, you can create a new form. And that new form is right here, and that link is under each section of the Site Content tab. You would create your form, and you would use this as a call to action for an e-card or a blog post or on Facebook. Anytime you want to capture someone's information and have it register directly into your AE database. So you would fill out the title, you would fill out the text or the call to action, then you would identify which buttons you want to show on the lead capture form. You can change the submit button text right there, and when you're done, you click submit form, and then what you can further do is direct them to a particular landing page either on your website, or you can have them go to a specific URL, or you can have them stay on the registration page. A great page you might want them to land on after they've registered is an SEO page or a saved search page that might show listings displayed given a particular saved search. Fleming Island, homes for sale, for example. That form, once you save it, is found under the Site Content tab, and it's labeled with the title that you gave it. That does it for this week's installment of Monday Marketing Madness. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can always contact us at Prunet.com. Thanks so much, and we'll see you online.